Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Filezilla to a server. First, ensure you have Filezilla client installed on your computer. This powerful, free, and open-source FTP solution allows you to transfer files between your local machine and a remote server. We will cover gathering your server credentials, inputting them into Filezilla, and establishing a reliable connection. By the end, you will confidently manage your website files. Before opening Filezilla, you need to gather 4 key pieces of information. Your hosting provider or server administrator will supply these details. Look for your FTP hostname, which might be your domain name or an IP address. You will also need your specific FTP username and the corresponding password. Finally, note the port number. For standard FTP, this is usually port 21, but SFTP or FTPS might use different ports. Now open your Filezilla client. At the very top, you will see the Quick Connect bar. Input your server's hostname into the first field, followed by your username in the second and your password in the third. For the port, enter 21 or your specific port if different. Then, click the Quick Connect button. The message log will display the connection progress, confirming a successful link or indicating any errors. If you encounter connection issues, first double-check all your credentials for any typos. A single incorrect character can prevent access. Also, ensure your computer's firewall or antivirus software is not inadvertently blocking Filezilla. If standard FTP isn't working, consider trying SFTP, which uses port 22 and offers enhanced security. If problems persist after these checks, reaching out to your hosting provider's support team is always a good next step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.